ファイト。
What's up guys, today I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 8. Be prepared for some loading time. The first thing that Windows is going to do is prompt you to select the language that you would like the installer to be in. Cortana would like to make you feel comfortable. Setup is starting. Good to know. Enter the product key that came with your Windows operating system to verify that you are not a pirate. If you are a pirate, Cortana will know. Read the Microsoft Software Terms Agreement in its entirety, and then click I accept the terms. Choose whether to custom install or standard install. Here we have partitions. You get to choose which partition that you install Windows into. You can also create a new partition from this area. Windows is installing now. It will give you to watch the numbers count up. Windows just restarted. No need to be alarmed. It told you that that would happen. Windows is loading. Windows will continue to load for approximately 4 years. In this time, Cortana will have aged 4 years. Cortana is now wiser and has graduated college, is now ready to prepare your desktop. Cortana introduces herself. Cortana would like to know all about you. Cortana is willing to help you. Tell Cortana where you are. Tell Cortana what type of keyboard you want. Do you want a second keyboard layout? Important setup. Just a moment. Who's going to use this PC? Tell the computer your name. Create a super memorable password. A password that you will never forget. Confirm that you will never forget your super memorable password. Security quest for when you forget your super memorable password. Cortana is also gathering data. Make Cortana your personal assistant. Click Settings. Update your Windows to the newest Windows so Cortana doesn't get sick. Cortana catches viruses quite easily. You do not want that to happen, do you? Cortana is your friend. Shut down Cortana. Cortana desires rest. Cortana is shutting down. Hey, thanks guys! Thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, ring the little bell, get notifications.